Go on. Go on. We're off. Go on. That's it. Here we go, boy. So that's a fully automatic gearbox in that, ladies and gentlemen. A bit untried for us, but I'll tell you what, he's moving it. Yeah, I think he would. But he's moving it, yeah. He's got it going, yeah. Proved me wrong again. How many times is that today? So, once he gets it rolling a bit, then, yeah, he's got it. So we've got a calculator. We've actually got 340 tonnes. Some of that, obviously, the tail end is just nudging downhill, but the bulk of that weight is coming up that back, the back track there, the back of the ring. So I've got to say that that's very impressive, and I can't tell you enough how pleased I am that the lorry's doing it, and the help that we've got is tremendous. I'm saying you won't see that anywhere else in the country, ladies and gentlemen. And I'd like to thank all these lads and lasses for helping us with our show. So he'll take that round, and then we'll start unhooking, and then we'll get on the process of our next demonstration, which is a little bit car crushing, and then we'll finalise with a pyrotechnic display, which I'll explain to you a little bit about as we go along. So we'll let that just take its course round, and yeah, so the stamina in the front is 86, raising at about 28 tonnes. It's 6-wheel drive, so the second axle is just starting to dig in there, the tyres are just starting to spin. Got a lot of weight on there, a lot of weight. These back runs there's a lot of weight on the back runs, and as they're coming up the hill, we've got Grant with his Saladin on there, he's weighing in at about 30 tonnes. The land train, he's going to be 25 plus tonnes. Yeah, and he's run out of, oh no, he's still going, I didn't think he was. No, he's still going. Yeah. So he ran out of steam, we ran out of traction over there, and Julian's just given a little bit of boost for the Martian, so I'm pleased, I'm alright with that, because there's such a lot of weight there, ladies and gentlemen, that to have any run lorry, pull it on its own, it's just incredible. Yeah, that's it. So we'll make his way round, and as soon as he gets round the other side, I suppose the idea would be, ladies and gentlemen, if we could actually get enough vehicles, then we could have just a complete circle, and then nobody would know who was pulling who then. But let's be happy with what we've got this year, and it's having such a great display. So we'll let Andrew take it round, nice and steady obviously, well we can't do anything else, and yeah, there you go. So that's it. That's a great display, I think. Well, we know what to aim for next year. Maybe we're going to join up in the middle, eh? Want another 20 lorries for next year? Yeah. We'll pop out and get some more. Okay, so we'll just let them run round, and then the tedious task of unhooking all the straight bars, which again takes a little while, but we'll do that as quick as we can for you, because obviously we don't want you to get bored. So we'll run it round. As soon as he's in a decent position, we'll start unhooking, and those lorries will leave the ring, and we've got a couple of cars set up for doing a little bit of car crushing, just to show you what the track vehicle can do. The track vehicle we're going to use is the FE432 armoured carrier. It weighs about 14 tonnes, so it's not too heavy, but it's heavy enough just to give those cars a little bit of a beating. And as I say, the later versions of those are still in current use, and that's it. I think that'll do, don't you, Lee? Yeah. you just pull it round a little bit more, but